Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic is related to internal energy. Every system is having some amount of energy that's possessive, that is the sum of the kinetic and potential energies of the molecules of the system. If we are going to take any system, if we are having this very gas, and within this very gas, we are having the molecules of this very gas. Those very molecules of gas, those are constantly in random motions. So because of those very motion, those are having the what? Kinetic energy. There is also the possibility of potential energy which we are going to read about. But first you should understand that simply internal energy of system. Internal energy of system is sum of kinetic and potential energies of the molecules of a system. So some of the kinetic and potential energies of molecules, because every system is made up of some molecules, atoms. Now, if you will take some ideal gas, what is the first ideal gas? Ideal gas is the gas where there is no intermolecular forces. So if there is no intermolecular forces amongst the molecules, then internal energy of this very ideal gas is only sum of then internal energy of ideal gas. Ideal gas is only due to random translational motion, random translational motion of gas molecules. That is only what I mean to say. That is simply their an internal energy on account of the kinetic energy. Because the kinetic energy of gas molecules of function is its temperature. Once you are going to increase, so there the internal energy is only because of the kinetic factor. So this can be increased only because of the temperature. So once you are going to increase, so increase in temperature, increase what? Internal energy. Internal energy, it is denoted by U. That is increase in T increases U, because internal energy is denoted by U. Or if first you are going to write internal energy of a system is sum of the internal energy of, what I mean to say, the kinetic energy plus internal potential energy, that is the total internal energy. But I'm saying if we are having an ideal gas, what is an ideal gas? All the gases are real. Ideal is in concept that where, because we are of the concept that in gas the molecules are very much far away from each other. In ideal gas, once we will say ideal means then there should no intermolecular forces. And once there is no intermolecular forces, then they will be moving away from each other. Then there will not be any, what I mean to say, potential energy within them. So internal energy of gas is only due to the random translation motion of gas. For that very, if you are going to increase the temperature, there will be increase in the internal energy. For a real gas, which we are having the most of the gas, real gas. What is a real gas? Real gas is the gas in which there are intermolecular forces. So it is internal energy of this very real mass is what? That is partly kinetic, partly kinetic, and partly potential. So kinetic energy is on account of random motion of the gas molecule, and potential energy is due to intermolecular forces. As you are aware, the total kinetic energy of a real gas is partly kinetic and partly potential. Now this kinetic is on account of the random motions of the molecules, and this partly is potential, which is denoted by UP, potential, is due to intermolecular forces present amongst the gas molecules. Thus, their total energy is U, that is simply UK plus UP. So, this is the concept related to what? Internal energy. If you are going to increase the temperature of an ideal gas, if you are going to increase the temperature of a real gas, there will be increase in its what? Kinetic factor, because there will be more and more random motions, and as a result of that, kinetic energy is going to increase. Once kinetic energy is going to increase, that means there is increase in what? Internal energy. This is all for today. I will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.